Thinking moving apartments is easy? Think again. Texas apartment moves come with unique challenges, like tight spaces, stairs, and parking hassles. Without experience, you risk damaging walls and losing part of your security deposit. That's why hiring expert movers is key to a smooth move. 3 Movers has over 30 years of experience moving apartments of all sizes, from high-rise penthouses to ground-floor studios. We pack, organize, load, transport, and unpack, making your move stress-free and efficient. Whether it's a local move under 50 miles or a long-distance move across Texas or beyond, we tailor our services to fit your needs. Too busy to pack? Our trained team will securely pack and unpack your belongings so you can settle in faster. We disassemble and reassemble your furniture to fit through tight spaces safely. Need storage? We offer short or long-term, climate-controlled storage at affordable rates. With competitive pricing and excellent service, 3 Movers is your go-to for apartment moving in Texas. Call 3 Movers today or fill out our online form to get your free, no-obligation quote and make your next Texas apartment move easy.